You can see it's
Oh,
starting.
yeah, she's coming.
It's starting to swirl. This is gnarly, dude.
The wind's picking up.
Yep. Look how. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that. Whoa. And it's clear back there again?
Wait,
Yeah.
Dad, they're heading towards our house. Is that it right there?
Huh? No, but
That's the storm clouds?
that's just clouds right now.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Dude, it's getting like quiet.
Because, I mean, it's probably,
You feel how quiet it is?
yeah,
Like even the.
but it's probably not going to head, like, super close to our house.
Whoa.
Wait,
Okay, yeah, the winds are picking up bad all of a
I
sudden.
saw the tornado for a second in
Yep, look at the wind.
on your
Here.
camera.
Alright, Jojo, just go sit inside real quick.
In the basement?
Nope, just.
Okay, are you going to come in, Mommy? Have to? Take shelter?
You know, then there's outside.
Yeah. He's a pilot too.
Linda?
Linda's husband.
Oh.
Oh, it's picking up. This is cool.
Picking up really fast.
Dude, I thought I just saw a rotation right there. Hmm? It's okay, bud. That's crazy. Oh, look behind us there too now. Now it's coming back that way. That's directly behind us. Yep.
We have to take shelter now.
Yep, we're gonna.
The rain.
Yep.
We have to take shelter
No,
now.
not yet, bud. Holy Hannah, dude.
Yeah, I can't see now.
Yeah, now you can't see anything. But damn, the wind just picked up. Behind us, look right there. Hail coming down. It's weird because the clouds are like circling around us, literally 360. Look at that. It's coming back this way now. That's where it's gonna form, dude. Whoo! Oh. Yeah, I think we should. Holy fuck, it's moving fast. Look at that.
Oh my god.
My God. There's not even a tornado siren right now, Jojo.
Look, now I see
Yeah, no, that was just It's freaking like forming above our heads right now, dude. Probably gonna touch down right over there. Those clouds are moving so fast.
Yeah, those are moving so fast. Those are fucking stopping now. Dude, you're moving to each other.
To each other. Look at that. Those clouds, you can see it's moving left to right. Look how fast it's moving past that antenna. And then over there, it's moving right to left. Look at that. Right to left on one side, left to right over there. It is literally forming above our heads right now. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at that. Holy shit. Are they still out there? Yeah.
Nobody was safe. Nothing happened. You're in a house. You're okay.